So I spent the last hour there trying to cut a path for the car to get out. I'm currently driving that path. Hopefully we can get to the shop. There's Sarah.
How does it feel?
Feels way better than yesterday.
Hey. Oh,
This
shit.
road has definitely been ploughed.
And there's the car.
Oh, for fuck's sake. I swear to God, if we get trapped.
That was just bad timing.
That was terrible timing. Okay, this is quite good. A lot better than yesterday. Once we get out onto the main road. Yeah, definitely been ploughed.
Oh my God.
This was so bad yesterday. Hey!
Woo!
Roads were absolutely fine. We have made it to the shop. Let's see what's actually going to be in the shop. In fairness, there is a little bit of milk, just in 1 litre bottles though. Poor dog has just wandered into Aldi with no owner. They're trying to figure out what to do with him. Anyone know who owns this dog?
You don't recognize him.
Right, so we made it home. Roads were grand, probably better than when we set off, to be honest. But if it freezes, we're screwed. We got some fire bits. I'm going to prep this fire and get it lit earlier today, thankfully. All of the unburnt nails that were these bits of wood. But they kept us warm, in fairness.